This is going to be a quick video for anyone that has done their oil change and now needs to do the oil life reset on their 2022 and above Honda Civics, so 11th generation Civics. Let's get right into it. Let's get started. What you're going to want to do is have the vehicle completely off. You will keep your foot off the brake, because if you have your foot on the brake, obviously it's going to turn the vehicle on. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the ignition button. You're going to press it twice without having your foot on the brake. First time, second time. Now the second time you're going to get the screens come on. So once you press it the second time, the lights will come on and you're going to see that screen. What you're going to want to do next, you're going to press this home button until you get the menu settings on this screen right here. So press it, and this is what you're looking for. So that's the menu settings, and you're going to scroll down with this one. You're going to toggle down till you see maintenance. So once you see maintenance, you're going to press down on this. You'll see oil life, and what you do is you'll press and hold this little toggle here. Press and hold. You're going to hold it for a few seconds, and then you'll see that change to reset. There you go. Now once you get this menu, you're going to go down to all due items. You'll press and hold the little wheel. And you'll see the little sign that said reset complete. And there you have it, oil life at 100%. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give that thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.